Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're talking all about setting sprays, fixing sprays. What's the difference? Understanding the difference between prep sprays, setting sprays, and fixing sprays can completely change how your makeup wears. So let's get into it. Category 1 is prep slash hydrating sprays. I personally use prep sprays when I'm prepping the skin, or if I'm dealing with very dry skin, mature skin, or dehydrated skin. The prep spray that I love is the De Alba First Spray Serum. This is extremely hydrating. It gives you a radiant kind of glow to the skin. What I like to do is spray it in between makeup steps. Right before I apply foundation, after I prep my skin, I'll just spray a little bit. Right after I apply foundation, like to help me blend the makeup as well. So it helps like makeup apply smoother. It's like a perfect kind of boost in between makeup steps. It's a very, very good one. Category 2 is setting sprays. The purpose of setting sprays is to melt powders together, remove cakiness, and make your makeup look more skin-like. One of my favorites is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love this. It just helps everything melt together. It has a beautiful soft focused finish. And another one that I love is the Milani Make It Last Original Natural Finish Setting Spray. This was one of the first setting sprays that I ever purchased, and till this day I cannot put this down. It's affordable, it's great for everyday use, and it's a great drugstore option. Category 3, fixing sprays slash finishing sprays. The purpose of a fixing slash finishing spray is to lock your makeup in, longevity, improve the wear time, reduce transfer, and resist sweat slash oil. This is what you want to reach for when you want your makeup to last. One of my go-tos is the One Size On Til Dawn. If you have watched my past videos, then you guys know how I feel about this. Go-to. If you don't know about this, let me just tell you, you need this for longevity. Like, this will have your makeup on till dawn, literally. This has an amazing hold. I love the spray. It's like a hairspray, so it kind of has like that even like application. It's great for oily skin. I love this for like events. I love grabbing for this because I know it's not gonna let me down. Another one that I love, and I feel like it's like not a lot of people know about this one, is the Skindinavia the Makeup Finishing Spray, the Bridal edition one. This one is designed for longevity. I love this. I use this even if you're not a bride. I use this to make your makeup stay. I know your makeup is not gonna go anywhere with this, and it's not gonna budge anything that's already on your face, which I love that. This is great also for like photo shoots, weddings, long events. You know, it's really gonna lock in everything. A newer one in my collection that I'm loving is the TIRTIR Max Fit Makeup Fixer. This one has a very light feel. It gives a longevity without feeling heavy. So when you apply it, it's not like you're gonna feel it on your face. It feels super, super light. And I love this one also because it gives you kind of like a more natural finish instead of like super matted. So I love this for my girlies that have dry skin. I purchased this about a month ago, and I have to tell you guys that I'm loving this fixing spray. It's like super, super nice. I love the finish. I love how it feels. I love how long it makes my makeup stay. It's a very, very good option. The best one for every day, I would say the Milani and the TIRTIR. So the best makeup routine usually has multiple sprays. Example, like I said, I start with one that's gonna prep the skin. It's gonna add hydration. Then my setting spray is gonna help everything melt together. It's gonna avoid cakiness as well. And my fixing spray is just gonna lock everything together. It's like the perfect seal into everything that I have worked on and I have applied on your face. So I hope this video helps you know the difference between a setting spray and a fixing spray. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. And if you enjoy helpful tips, helpful makeup, like knowledgeable information, then please subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, let me know of any like setting sprays that you have purchased, and if one of your favorites made my list. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.